Okay, guys, so today's Friday. We do have some news today. If you take a look at the economic calendar, I've just got it set to the USD. We've got Michigan consumer sentiment at 1500, which will see the most of the volume. So that's what really need to watch out for today. Yesterday, so I have placed a trade. Yesterday closed super bullish. More than likely today it is going to touch this daily zone and then move to the upside. We have a TP at 18700. On the 1 hour time frame, though, if this does touch this level and then move to the upside, we can add to this, no problem, and move SL down to here. So this is just a trade to make sure that we're in. If it just like moves to the upside now during the London session, just to make sure, because usually when we have a really bullish day, we don't get the entry that we want with our other strategy. So placing on the daily close is what I've been doing recently to catch those days where it goes really bullish, but we don't see the perfect setup. So that's the reason why I entered bullish on US 100. If we break this level, however, we will more than likely get rid of it, take a minor L, and then move on. So let's go to US 30. We've done US 100, US 30 now. So US 30 here. Let's go to the daily. So here we have a little bit of support here. Yesterday closed as a pin bar. Lots of buy pressure at this level here. There is a potential for this to move to the upside today, as we do have a downtrend. So we have a lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we need to make also a lower high. So again, today, probably bullish. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, bearish. So today, what I would look for, as we have this downtrend, is potentially a buy to that level. Something kind of like that. To this level here, to this downtrend, and then just to consolidate and then move to the downside Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we're looking for a minor move to the upside and then expecting this to continue moving to the downside next week. Let's take a look at gold. Now, gold, I have had a little look at. I can't see anything great here. It's just literally moving to the upside. There is a level here that potentially we could see an exhaustion to. But at the moment, it's just literally just moving to the upside. What are the fundamentals here? So gold is a positive 7.2, USD is a positive 2.7. I mean, yeah, the only trade that I can see is a higher time frame move and then a move to the upside. That's the only one that I can see. As of anything on like the lower time frame, you're really taking your chances with it. Potentially later if there's something at Michigan consumer sentiment, and then we can potentially place a trade there. But as of now, the only one that I can see is a higher time frame move. So if it goes down to 2,364, and then potentially moving to the upside there. Could you go over indices, please? I will do. I just have. If you just joined AC, I go through F and again at the end. All right. So the British pound against the yen, we didn't see buy pressure there. You can go to the daily. Still bullish. We've had a exhaustion. We haven't had it to the higher time frame move to the upside, but we have seen it to the lower time frame move. So we can go to the 4-hour. We have a lower time frame uptrend here, where we can now potentially see a buy. So if we see a bullish engulfing candle breaking above this candle here, we can definitely move to the upside. The fundamentals here. So the Great British pound is weaker than the yen at this moment in time. The Great British pound has to be stronger than the yen in order for us to place this trade, and also we have to have entry confirmation with the bullish engulfing candle. So if you do get both of those, you can definitely place this. Obviously, watch out for Michigan consumer sentiment. It shouldn't impact this, but it probably will. Great trend against USD. So this is looking like it's broken here. So just like yesterday when I said we're looking for breaks and retests of certain levels, we didn't have a full touch of this level, but we did see a little impulse move to the upside. So today, if we just take a little look, let's get rid of all this. Make it super, super easy. So again, we have Michigan consumer sentiment, which is going to impact the market. The Great British pound at the moment is a minus 1.7, USD positive 1.5. So the Great British pound is weaker. If we can see a minor exhaustion and then a continued move, your target will be 1.2480. Let's call it. There we go. Stop loss will be wherever the top of the bearish engulfing candle is. We go to the daily, it makes sense because we've had super bearishness. We've waited for this level to be broken. More than likely today it is going to continue moving to the downside. Whether or not it's going to go all the way down here or just partial, we shall see with price action. So we'll just wait and see what happens with that. Euro USD. Last one, if you want to go through anything else, let me know. I'll go through indices again after. So Euro USD has already moved. Didn't see that exhaustion. Just moved to the downside. So today, again, we have a level here. We have a level here. More than likely going to see a minor exhaustion and a continued move today. It is a Friday, so don't expect any miracles. But short position here. To the downside, what are the fundamentals? Euros are -7 and the USD is a positive 1.3. So good fundamental direction to the downside. Probably going to go to 1.06500. Euro Aussie. Okay, so I'll do indices first. So obviously we're in US 100. Looking for a move to the upside. More than likely going to bounce off this daily zone here. We don't need these though. Let's get rid of these. Every time I don't need a zone, I simply just get rid of it because I want my chart to be as clean as humanly possible. So what we're looking for here is a minor exhaustion, move to the upside. Again, we're just in this just in case it does continue moving up without us. 8 cap, potential move to the upside here on US 30 to this downtrend, and then expect the move to stop. And next week to move to the downside. So that's basically indices in a nutshell. Which one was it? Was it Euro Aussie? Where is it? There we go. Euro Aussie. Weekly. Think I've got all my zones right here. Oh wow. Bear with. Don't need these. Don't need any of them. Are they correct? So on the monthly, we have a high there. Daily. Okay, I'm kind of getting a bit of an idea here. Okay, so overall, this looks bearish so far. We have a potential long here when we touch this level. Also, the uptrend looks bearish for now. So if we look at the 1H, we've got a little bit of room here. So probably to 1.63000. The euro is a minus 6.1. The Aussie is a positive 0.7. So obviously the euro is weaker. We can see that on the daily. We can see that on the weekly as well. So yeah, next week probably bearish as well. All the way down to 1.6300. And then I would say that the move is pretty much done and to expect something like this to then move to the upside there. Unless we completely break this, but be a little bit unlikely. So we have come to a little bit of a level of buyer pressure here. Potential move to the upside to this level here. And then move down to 1.63000. That would be what I would look for. So there you go. No worries, MP. So yeah, guys, that's it. I shall see you at 2:30 live trading. We'll see what happens later on. If nothing happens, then we'll just cut it. But at least we're in because Fridays usually do have a good move if Thursday is super bullish or super bearish. So we'll see what happens. Take care, guys. Have a great day, and I shall see you later on. Bye bye.